Hello everyone, today we are going to talk about the most famous and the most important shortcuts that we are using in Windows 11. Okay, first of all, I'll talk about the top 3 the most important shortcuts in Windows 11. First one is copy. We use shortcut. First of all, we select a file or we select a text or any kind of things. Then we click on Control plus C. We call it copy. This is the most important one. Control, or we can right click on the file and then here we can see copy. Control C. Then the second one, the file that we copied, we can just like right click on here on this folder and then click on Control V like this one, Control V. It made a copy of the file 1. Okay, and if we click this, select this file and then we copy it and come to this folder and then say right click or Control V, paste. Now we have another file with the same things in this file. Okay, but if you know that when we copied file here, it says file 1 copy, but here it didn't say another file copy. Why is that happening? It happens because we have the same name in this folder, so Windows cannot accept two different files in the same name. That's why it made another copy of it. But here in this folder we didn't have any file that have the same name as another file. That's why it didn't say that this is a copy of it. Okay, the shortcut number 3, the most important one, is cut. What is cut? Called another synonym called move. For example, if I click on this file and then say Control X, now if you look, notice that the shape, kind of the appearance looks different because I click Control X, it means cut or move. And if I come to here and then I click Control V again, now the file have moved from this folder to this folder. Okay, or we can right click on this one and then say here we have like the scissor, call it cut. We choose it cut and then come here, right click again and then you say X. Okay, by this one we have like top most important 3 shortcuts. I hope you are enjoying these important shortcuts and you are taking benefit from it. I will continue to make more videos like these for shortcuts, and if you are taking benefit or if you are learning from this video, I hope you are encouraging me by sharing this video and also subscribe my channel.